What do you think you're saying? Really? Is it in here? Where'd you go? Come over here. Dun dun dun. You are the funniest boy every morning. Good thing. You are the cutest thing. Oh, that was cute. Oh, don't you talk back to me, or I'll put them back in the bag. Okay, come on then. Oh, geez, your claw, bud. Ow, 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 off. Okay. Come on then. And put it in your bowl. Just trimmed your claws like 4 days ago. How did you get them so sharp already? Hmm? You were pretty good last night. You only woke me up a couple of times. Yes. I know. I know. You are a pretty good boy. You gonna lick out the crumbs? Is that what you're thinking? Yeah. Oh, you're such a good boy. Can I see your eye? You got goop. You got eye boogers. Yes, you got eye boogers. Oh, you're such a cutie. Oh, yes. Tiggy, tiggy, tig. Where are you going? Yeah. Oh, good morning. Yes, good morning. Does Tiggy need petted? Yeah. Does Tiggy need a chin rub? Oh, do you need your tail petted? Hmm? Brain eating spider. Oh, we're dead. You killed the brain eating spider. That was kind of dirty talk. Eh? Nothing in there? Good thing you're so cute. Okay. You're funny. I have no more treats for you. I'm only giving you the ones that were in your bowl. Maybe if you didn't eat them all in one gulp, you would enjoy it more. Crazy bum. Okay. I love you lots, Tiggy. Silly boy. Hey, Piggy. Were you happy about yourself snoring last night? Waking me up. Okay. You sure snore loud, bumhead. Yeah, is it because you're getting old? You're an old boy. You snores. Snore, kitty. Oh, you're such a bum. But Mama loves you so much. Hey, Tig, you ignoring me? No? Embarrassed because I told everybody you snored so loud? Okay, I gotta go work. I love you.